Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is an absolute picture-perfect moment. What a moment to witness, truly special. And now, let's have a warm round of applause as we invite Mrs. Sangeeta Jindal and Mr. Parth Jindal of the JSW Foundation to kindly join us on stage. We're honored to have you here with us today, sir. And ma'am, as we move ahead, it's time to introduce an initiative being launched here today. Please put your hands together, Wankhede Stadium. Mrs. Sangeeta Jindal, Mr. Parth Jindal of the JSW Foundation making their way up on stage. Hold on, before we move ahead, I think it is time for us to welcome the youth icon, and he's here to do something very, very special. Please welcome Tiger Shroff! Now comes to a moment of honor and recognition for this wonderful project, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome on stage Tiger Shroff, India's youngest action star and a symbol of discipline, fitness and relentless hard work. For thousands of young kids watching today, he represents what dedication can achieve when talent meets effort. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, he is the face of Project Mahadeva. He is Tiger Shroff and he is in the house. I'll quickly run everybody through because Project Mahadeva is something which is very, very special, sir. And I feel that everybody over here and watching us today should know about it. Project Mahadeva is a statewide grassroots football development initiative launched by the government of Maharashtra, aimed at identifying and nurturing talented boys and girls under the age of 13. The program provides comprehensive long-term support to develop future football stars for the state, including rural areas. And who better to be the face of it than somebody who loves the game? Like, he's just playing it around. I know in his head, I know you want to dribble it through over here. Tiger Shroff, ladies and gentlemen. And here comes Project Mahadeva. All right, sir. I will give you a countdown. Let's go. We want everybody to join in. Project Mahadeva is going to go live when I give the countdown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
तिकडे फॉरेनरला यासाठी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी भेटतं 5 इयर्ससाठी स्कॉलरशिप भेटते आणि इंडियाला खेळायचा चान्स भेटतं.
The Mahadeva project, it's a really nice project for all the girls from all over Maharashtra, showcasing their talents.
और जो 30 जन जो सिलेक्ट होंगे उन लोग को 5 साल का मतलब रेसिडेंशियल है. मतलब अभी पहले ये कैंप नहीं था तो इंडियन फुटबॉल मतलब महाराष्ट्र का फुटबॉल